How do you do, and welcome to day 12 of the 31 days of Halloween. So, today I had no school because of the PSATs, because they were taking place at my school. So, yeah, that's why I'm just like chilling here in my sweats, which I always just chill in my sweats anyway, but yeah, wearing my glasses. So yeah, I hope that everybody had a great day. Now, for the topic of the day. I don't know if you've seen the two little girls singing Super Bass by Nicki Minaj. There's only one of them really sings it and the other one just dances. They're from England or the UK, whatever, Britain, whatever. And they're so cute. They were on Ellen today, and the little girl that sings has the most personality I have ever seen. It was so cute. Don't know what else to say. I'm not really in a talkative mood today. I just really don't want to do my homework. So yeah, you should check out those two little girls. They're like Sophia Grace and Rosie. And they were so adorable. So yeah, check that out. I will see you tomorrow. Sorry, this was a very boring day, but it's whatever though, you know. Goodbye.